What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today is an exciting video because we're checking out PITAKA's latest offering for the S25 Ultra. Now if you want this case, you can order it from their website. It's available as of right now for $54.99, and there are some other color variants as well. I see some of them are on back order, some of them are not available, so that might change whenever you are taking a look at this video. Let's take a look around the box. Ultra slim case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the black and gray color. Kind of features the Aramid fibers right here. It also has, I believe, a scratch resistant coating that they use on top of the Aramid fiber, which gives it that really premium feel. And also obviously it has a MagSafe magnet built in. That way you can charge your phone using the MagSafe charger. Now I'm not sure if it's going to be compatible with the Qi 2 standard. They have not mentioned that anywhere else, but at least you have MagSafe. If you have any MagSafe accessories lying around, you can use those as well with this case, which is pretty cool. Now they do mention here that it's a slim and light case, so as far as protection is concerned, you're not really getting this case for protection as much. You're just getting this case for looks and that premium feel that you get with the carbon fiber material. Me personally, I love these cases. I've tried on the Benks case. I did an unboxing of the Aramid fiber Benks case. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave that video in the description. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this box and check this case out. Here we go. Oh, the case is just right there. Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful. And it does have these metal rings around for the cameras to protect the cameras, which is always good. And that's about it. Look at that. That looks nice. So let's see what else we get in the box. They mentioned the MagSafe Slimboard Module 2.0. which I believe is a stronger magnet than what they were using before. And they kind of talk about all the different materials that they're using, the amber magnetic film, how it's thinner and lighter, so more environmentally friendly and all that good stuff. So if that's your deal, you can read through that. We are going to put this on the side. Now, before I install this case on my phone, I do want to weigh it real fast. So I have my trustworthy scale right here, which I brought. And we're going to weigh this case real fast to see how much exactly this case weighs. So it weighs about 28 grams, which is not that bad. Let's try that again. Make sure I got that right. Okay, so about 26 now. Okay. 26, yeah, so 26 to 28 grams, which is still not that bad. Comparison to a Spigen case, which I did an unboxing of. This case, the Spigen Neo 1 case, weighs 44 grams. It's like half the weight of this case. Yes, you do get more protection for obvious reasons because it's more bulky, but the feel that you get with this case, you're not gonna get with this case. All right, so let's install this case on the device and see how it feels in the hand. All right, here we go. Left side first, and we just kind of push this corner in first, and the top corner goes in after, and this just kind of slaps right in. Oh, this feels good. This feels quality. You know what I mean? Like, look at this. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. You can see these individual Aramid fiber fibers. So let's take a look around the phone for buttons and cutouts. On the right side, they just have this slot for your power and your volume rocker. On the bottom, we have your charging slot right there. They have a speaker grill, and they left a spot for the S Pen. Let's see if it's easy or hard to take out. So if you have a bit of nails, which I do just a little bit, it's kind of easy, but if you have small nails, it might be a little tough to kind of get the S Pen out. On the left side, they just left it plain. There's no branding or anything like that. On top, we have the cutouts for the mics. Usually manufacturers will leave like a little lanyard loop spots right here, but they haven't done that either, which is okay, you know. As far as screen protection is concerned, let's take a look of how much of a lip that we have for this case around the screen. And as you guys can see, there's a little bit of lip that they left at the corners, which kind of sticks out. So in case you have a screen protector, you can kind of get away with it and it's not going to stick out as much. So all four corners are pretty well protected, I would say. And you can actually see that lip around the corners pretty well. For the rest of the phone, there's barely a lip, not as much. And on the bottom, let me turn this off. There we go. And the last corner right there. Switching to the back for the cameras. That's one thing for these cases. Some of them, they just leave the spots for the cameras as is, and there's no protection, but PITAKA does a really good job because they have this raised area, metal ring around the corners that kind of sticks out around the cameras. As you guys can see there, it's picking it up pretty well. So you know for sure when you have your phone sitting screen up, it's going to be protected and it's not going to scratch the cameras or anything, which is always nice. All right, so I had to go grab my Qi 2 charger real fast. Let's check out the charging on this and how strong these magnets are. As you guys can see, it snapped down pretty well, and it says fast wireless charging in about an hour and 10 minutes. So I think it's taking advantage of the Qi 2, but I'm not too sure, so don't quote me on it, because they haven't mentioned anything on their website regarding the Qi 2 compatibility. So take that with a grain of salt. But as far as the magnet's concerned, this thing is on pretty well, and it just snaps on, and it's not going to go anywhere. So if you have any of those other magnetic accessories, you know for a fact that those accessories are not going to come off that easy, whether it's a wallet or a portable charger or whatever. So that's about it, guys. We took an in-depth look at the PITAKA Ultra Slim case for the S25 Ultra. Again, it's available on their website for $54.99, and there's other color variants available as well. Let me know if you guys are fans of these Aramid cases, or if you guys prefer more traditional cases that are out there. There's so many brands, so many good cases, and we will try to get every single one that we can to showcase them for you. So yeah, if this video was informative or helpful in any way, drop us a like, subscribe, and just say hi in the comments. That really helps out the channel. This is a new channel, so I'm trying to grow it to about 10,000 subscribers for this year. So any kind of interaction with the content helps out. So drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Peace.